The National Police Commissioner Fanny Masemola is reportedly facing imminent arrest in connection with alleged abuse of crime intelligence/funds, a development that could trigger a wave of suspensions within the South African Police Service, a crime analyst warned. According to multiple sources, the Investigation Directorate Against Corruption (IDAC) has obtained a warrant for Masemola's arrest. The allegations center on claims that he conspired with Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo, head of crime intelligence, to unlawfully purchase high-value properties using funds from the Secret Service account. The properties in question, the Virose Boutique Hotel in Pretoria North and Kyalami Lodge in Midrand, were acquired in September last year. Virose Boutique Hotel boasts 23 bedrooms, including a presidential suite, and is valued at 43.4 million rand, while Kyalami Lodge offers 75 en-suite rooms and is valued at 48.25 million rand. Both purchases allegedly approved by Khumalo by past official procurement protocols. Khumalo was arrested earlier this year on separate fraud and corruption charges involving the purchase of a boutique hotel in Pretoria North and the commercial building in Durban, valued at 22.7 million rand and 22.8 million rand, respectively. Sources claim President Cyril Ramaphosa has been briefed on the matter and given the go-ahead for action. Crime expert and violence monitor Mary Diaz said the arrest of Masemola, if it goes ahead, could set off a chain reaction within SAPS, and that this could expose why Khumalo and Major General Philani Lushaba, the SAPS chief financial officer, have not been suspended. There are many interesting developments to watch for. The controversy intensified last month after the EFF leader, Julius Malema, told journalists a warrant for Masemola's arrest had already been issued. Malema alleged the commissioner's arrest was delayed after KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Ndledla Mkhwanazi publicly exposed alleged infiltration and corruption within the law enforcement. On Sunday, Masemola denied knowledge of any arrest warrant, referring queries to IDAC. Police spokesperson Athlenda Mathe also directed questions to the directorate. Political analyst Zakhele Ndlovu said the potential arrest would lend credibility to Mkhwanazi's claims that corruption runs deep in SAPS, and that if one were to stretch one's imagination, the rot permeates the entire SAPS and the broader criminal justice system, and possibly other state institutions. Professor Sipho Siepe echoed this sentiment, saying the speculation should be viewed in light of Mkhwanazi's explosive allegations implicating the entire justice system in possible corruption. For now, the nation watches as the country's top cop faces one of the most serious corruption allegations in recent SAPS history, a case that could send shockwaves far beyond police headquarters. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.